How to sign up for FreshBook affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for FreshBook affiliate program. You can see this interface on my screen. You can access it easily by the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. So FreshBook is basically an online accounting and invoicing service that saves you time and makes you look professional. FreshBook make it easy to stay organized, keep track of your payments owed and expenses made, send invoice and accepts payment. So today I'll show you how to sign up for its affiliate program. So let's get started without wasting any time. So if you have already an account, you can log in from here. But if you are new to FreshBook, you need to click on try for free. Once you click on try for free, you will land on this page. And here you need to add your email and then type your password here. And you can also sign up with your Google accounts. But first you need to confirm that you have read and you agree to their FreshBooks and you agree to their terms and policy. I'll confirm to it and then I'll click on sign up with Google. Here you need to enter your profile information, your name, your first name and your last name, and where are you located and your phone number. Once you are done, click on next and then you need to tell about your business. And then you need to tell about your business and you are all set. Your account will be created. So when I go back to their landing page and I'll scroll down and go to the bottom of the website, here you will see an option of affiliate program. Let's search for it. Here in the partner section, you can see the option affiliate program. We will click on it. You can earn up to $200 from FreshBook. I'll click on try it for free. If you're not a member, you can sign up from here. You need to choose your name, password, country, and you need to confirm your password. Then you need to click on next step. Let's do this. Then you need to give them some basic information like your website URL and your website is written in which language. And from here you need to confirm your email address and then you need to give them some contact information and the payment method, and then you'll be member of FreshBook affiliate program. And once you give them payment method, you will be a member of the affiliate program. They will email you back. This is how you can sign up for FreshBook affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.